Filipinos to come back to the past, bring back the old school ways of living, bringing respect to elder people, parang bringing back chivalry, which was quite dead. Chivalry is not dead. And moreover, later did we find out that we can do an event for charity, for other people. So this is the blessing that we've been getting because we're made out of pure intentions. So parang yun lang po yung if you reap what you sow. So kung magtanim ka ng mabuti, babalik sa'yo mabuti ang vice versa.
My question is, may plano ba kayo to, how do you sustain this phenomenon?
That's not for them, that's under management.
So the management. So meron na bang naibigay sa inyo na parang direction or upcoming projects na dapat nyo gawin para ma-maintain nyo yung popularity ninyo?
Kasi parang the thing about Aldab po, there was no plan in everything that we do. There was no career plan, no pattern, no design to follow. Whatever we have now, we enjoy. And whatever's gonna come our way, it will be because of the Lord. He's gonna give us in the right time. So tamang panahon, sabi ko.
Pero may mga projects ba kayo na tinanggihan na or dinecline dahil sa tingin nyo hindi tama para sa team ninyo or sa...
Well, so far naman po, the other offers, they respect what is happening right now. They respect Aldab. So, wala naman pong so far na offer na taliwas dun sa nangyayari po ngayon.
Okay, thank you. Next.
Hello again.
This is easy.
Nakadalaw ka na ba sa bahay ni Maine sa Bulacan?
Hindi pa po. Hindi pa po.
Pero, ito kaya ang bago Christmas?
Alay niyo po, di ba? Well, kasi ngayon po talaga, Maine and I were really busy. Parang bihirang-bihira. 7 days a week, we have jam-packed schedules every day. So, pag nakaluwag-luwag na po, I might pay a visit, ganyan. So, pero ngayon po medyo mahirap pa pong magsingit ng other schedules.
Pero may plans kayo to go out together alone?
Secret! But,
Well, we're gonna be in Cebu and Davao together.
yes,
so
for the promo. So,
let's stop then.
Thank you.
Thank you, please.
In relation to that, pwede ka naman pumunta sa kanila. I'm Jean, by the way.
Hi, G.
Hi.
Hi.
Anyway, ayun, may permission ka naman pumunta sa kanila. Wala namang nagbabawal.
Wala naman
Kasi
po.
before, di ba, like, bawal. Or hindi naman bawal, pero because of your, parang set up.
Yes. Ano na, out of respect. Pero so, ngayon wala naman nagbabawal.
That's true.
Yes.
I'm happy for you.
Thank you. Thanks, G.
And then, next question, do you text, Viber, Skype, or call? Chat?
Sabi na lang yun.
Yes or no lang?
Well, you read between the lines.
Okay. Thank you, thank you.
Thank you.
Yes, they text.
Boom!
Binuko.
Okay, may questions pa ba tayo? Yes.
Hi, Alden.
Hi. What's your name, ma'am?
Diane from Lionheart.
Hi, Diane.
Question lang pala. What is your dream role with Maine?
Since we've done rom-com, parang I'm looking forward to do a heavy drama with her. Kasi that's my favorite genre, drama talaga eh. I've been doing quite a few drama roles with GMA and other movies in my past 4 or 5 years of being in the industry. So I'm looking forward to, parang yun naman yung, kasi we've been doing Nakilig-Kilig and rom-com style of acting. Sana heavy drama naman.
Nice. Another question. What is the difference? Ano yung pagkakaiba ni Maine sa mga naging leading lady mo in the past? What's special about her na wala doon sa iba?
Well, out of the previous love teams ko po kasi, si Maine kasi komedyante talaga eh. So parang yung sense of humor niya is really mabilis mag-isip, nakakatawa talaga siya, even ako natatawa sa kanya. So, parang that's quite different from my other love teams na partner ko before. And I can see na talagang in every day that we work together, laging may baong jokes, hindi mawawalan, bigla na lang hihirit yan out of the blue. Kung corny man kayo hindi, basta babanan siya, wala siyang pake.
That's nice. Another question, may ka-clarify lang ako. Kasi gusto mo kakalat sa social media na parang because of the popularity of Aldab, marami daw artista yung naging jobless, yung parang project nila nalipat daw sa Aldab.
No, of course, that's not true. Direct space. Redirect. That's not true.
Hindi naman nila pananagutan ng careers ng ibang tao. Bakit sila sisisihin?
Thank you, Direct.
Thank you, Ate Direk.
Okay, for Direk again, Joel sa glitter. Direk question lang, how do you handle? Kasi pag lumabas yung movie, baka may mga mas lalabas na it's Alta ba nagdala, it's not Vicky and I.
You know, that's not true. Siyempre, I mean, you expect that, di ba? You cannot make 100% of the people happy. At pag naghahanap ka ng pintas, ng kapintasan, kahit anong gawin mo, pipintasan ka. How do I handle it? You have to really know which criticisms you acknowledge. Which is Mr. Okay. Okay. You have to acknowledge which criticisms you have to dignify and which ones you just let it slide off your back like water on a duck's back. Hindi ba? It cannot be helped. But I can assure you, I mean, how could you question Vic and I? Hindi ba? They're icons, hindi ba? And in the same manner, how can you question? The movie caters to two distinct generations. Okay, so na-expect na namin yan. At ang aming reaction niya nila, well, bebe na lang. Okay. Eh di wow, tama.
Kay Alden po ulit. Hello, I'm Michelle.
Hi, Miss Michelle. Hi.
Nagtaguna din ako.
Hello.
San Pedro. Medyo personal naman.
Yes, po.
Masasabi mo ba na sa katauhan ni yung hinahanap mo sa isang babae?
Well, first and foremost, what's not to like about her naman? Diba? A lot of, she's been a very aspirational person, very simple. And, yun, kung meron mang mangyayaring progression in our personal relationships together, that's for us to find out ourselves. And that's for you to wait. Tayo nyo na lang po.
Follow-up question. Meron ka pa bang mga dream role bukod sa love team with her?
Three roles with her. So, yun nga po, like what I said earlier, heavy drama and the horror genre po na film. Yung mga takot-takutan. Tsaka, what else? Well, yun yung two, dalawang top of mind ko whenever, if me and I would be given the chance to do other movie genres, horror and heavy drama.
Kay Direk po, last na lang po. Direk, para po sa inyo, ito po ba ang pinaka-paborito niyong movie or isa sa mga...
Bawat pelikulang ginagawa mo ay paborito mong pelikula. Kasi bawat pelikulang ginagawa mo, parang anak mo yun. Diba? So you cannot say which anak is the favorite niya. Pero ang nakakatuwa nito, lest it be known, ano, ang tawag namin dito, an all Lasal production. Okay? Kasi Lasal ako, nagtuturo ako sa Lasal, galing ako Lasal, Lasal din siya, at si May, Lasal din. So all Lasal production. And we invite Athenians to also watch this.
Hi, good afternoon.
Hi.
I'm Albert from Chicanesa.
Hello po.
Nakalimutin niya yung question niya. Hinga.
Ian, for Alden, were you aware na nung for the past year, nung Candy Fair was nandun din si May as the pictures?
I was not aware.
Pero napapag-usapan niyo ba yun?
Yes, sabi ko, nakita pala tayo nung 5 years ago na eh. Sabi ko, pero hindi naman ikaw pinunta ko doon. Sabi ko, oo naman, di pa naman ako artista eh. Pero parang, it's somewhat kind something like destiny talaga. Kasi after 5 years, we will see each other sa Itbulaga, you know, and this would be a hit. So it's a blessing. It's a blessing from the Lord.
And nung beginning of the year, nung ini-interview ka sa boardwalk, one of the things na tinanong sa'yo is kung ano talaga yung gusto mo for 2015. Ang naaalala ko is gusto mo na-apply. Matatapos na yung 2015.
Hindi natapos. Malay niyo po. I don't know. I really can't tell.
Hahabol pa.
So, December pa lang naman. Meron pa akong a few days. We'll see.
And
Okay lang yun. Ako 2009, ang wish ko makalabla.
2015 na, wala like that. I'm just waiting po. Still. I'm just letting myself be surrendered into God's will kung saan niya ako ilalagay. Ay, hindi ko pinapangunahan yun. Whatever He gives me, I accept.
okay. Alam ko 2015 would be the biggest year for you in the show business. Pero if there's one thing that stand out for 2015, parang after 10 years, babalikan mo 2015, ano?
It's Alban. It's Alban.
Oh.
At last is, gaano ka na napayaman?
Uy! Next question, please! Well enough
Ko yan. Kuripot yan.
well enough to sustain everything. Yeah. Yes,
Wow.
Blessed.
very blessed.
Ay, last na lang, if there's any material thing that nabili mo or something that will remind you of Aldab, ano?
House there. The house. The house I'm currently. So, patapos na po. So, parang, yes. Secret!
Okay.
Sa South pa rin, sa.
Congratulations.
For the family po. It's a family house.
Thanks. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, any more questions? Oh, yes, Marlene.
Ay,
Sir.
sir, wala nang maligo-ligo pa, sir. Kayo naman ni May. Pero, bala ko kung maligo sa kanya.
Kayo mo, abangan mo yan po.
Pero kung maliligaw ka, sir, paano ba? Traditional way or, alam mo, yung nakaagad?
Hindi, traditional way. Takot ko lang kay Lola.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Ano? Maligo-ligo na. Kayo na lang.
Wala nang patumpik-tumpik, Pasko na daw eh.
Pasko na, diretso na.
Diba? Showing ng movie eh. Any more questions, guys? Okay, Nick. Go, Nick.
Yes, hello. I'm Ning or Ning for you.com. For Alden, ano yung mga, since magsama naman kayo palagi sa Calaserio, ano yung mga new discoveries mo nung ginawa niyo itong film? Meron ka bang, yung hindi mo nakikita dati kay Ning, meron ba dito sa movie, nung ginagawa niyo itong movie?
Well, halos lahat naman po kasi kung ano niyo siya nakikita sa Caliserie, yun na talaga siya eh. Although, minsan lang kapag pagod, syempre, of course, may mga tahimik moments. Pero, all in all, what you see is what you get from her. So, yun po. That's what the good thing about May is you see her as herself. No pretensions.
The other way around naman, ano yung na-discover mo sa sarili mo nung naging, say, partner mo or love team mo si Ning?
Na-enhance yung pagiging wacky ko eh. Yung pagiging wacky, well, before kasi, I've been medyo fine eh. Kasi parang that's what the management told me. Pero parang ako talaga personally, makulit talaga ako off-cam. Joker ako, mahilig akong maulit. So, yun yung na-enhance when Aldab started. So, I became more of myself. Siguro I should say.
Thank you.
Thank you po.
Thank you, Ning. Questions, guys? Yes. Sige, Macy.
na lang po ulit.
Si Miss Macy. Si Miss Macy yata ang president ng Philippines.
Yes! Sabi niya, chapter.
Sabi ko.
Curious lang ako, nag-text na ba sa'yo si May? Ngayon?
Today po?
Oo, pumunta ba
siya?
Ako, parang ang makakasagot po niyan is, di pa po namin alam eh, pero baka po.
Hindi ba nagpasabi sa'yo?
Hindi naman po. Ewan ko lang po kung... Pero, tingnan po natin baka makapunta sa I don't know po kasi. Hindi ko po alam.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Question po.
Ayan, sweet box.
Hi.
Hi, ayan.
Congrats.
Thank you. Hindi kita kilala ha. Ngayon lang kita na-meet.
Yeah.
Oo.
For Alden lang, parang this MMFF kasi parang is Battle of Love Teams.
Okay.
Parang ano yung edge ng... ano yung edge ng tandem ni May? Against, JD, diba? Kingsley.
First and foremost, we're not up to any competition in the MMFF. Actually, when Aldab started, we're not made to compete with any love teams. We're just enjoying everything, enjoying every moment, enjoying every project that we've been working on. So, with regards to edge, walang edge. We don't think about that. We don't think ano yung meron kami na na mas malakas more over any love teams. Wala. We don't think about that. We just enjoy.
What's your, question na? What's your favorite parang wacky face niyo?
Yung nakagagal. Sinalalaki lang, siya lang yung nakakagawa eh. Yun yung parang mukha siyang taga.
Ano na yung favorite dub smash mo niya?
Favorite dub smash? Yung pa-Baby Girls. So, nakakatawa yung kahit ako nakatawa sa kanya. Tsaka yung Vietnamese. Yun yung very first dub smash that started everything. Di ba?
Well, congrats for this.
Thanks, Ayan.
And for direct naman, direct parang, when was the last time you, parang you made a film fest entry?
Siguro yung latest ko no before this was My House Husband with Julianne and Ryan. That's about, how many years ago? 3 or 4 years ago? Yeah.
This time po, parang with this film, since you're a big fan of Aldab din, no? Paano mo napipigilan yung yung kilig during shoot?
Avoid namin ko, kapipigilan ng kilig. Diba? When you're directing a kilig moment, dapat kilig ka rin, di ba? Pag hindi ka kasi kinilig, paano mo papakilig ang iba?
Ako, let me share this about Direct Joey.
Ano na?
Kasi, when we were working on My Bebe Love, the shoots, yung mga kilig scenes, parang may blocking eh. There's a certain blocking. Ito yung we deliver. We rehearse every sequence. Tapos on action, minsan may mga sumusulpot-sulpot na hindi naman nasama sa blocking. Then, pagka, Direct honors that. That's the good thing about Direct Joey. Parang, he lets us play with the material. He's not a director by the script. He's a director by the moment. Kung anong maramdaman namin ng that scene. That's what I like about Direct Joey.
Kasi, let me clarify. Let me clarify. Kasi, ayoko yung formula kilig. Yung, alam mo, sineset up mo. I think, one thing that I really told everybody is everybody acts naturally. Kasi, di ba the biggest kilig moments of man are not the big moments, but it's the little details of the eyes, that effing dimple, di ba? Di ba, these things are really the kilig moment. And sometimes, syempre, rehearsal, ganyan, tinatimingan mo, you don't see, pag take, nakikita mo, oh my God, di ba? To know my panty liner, you know what I mean, di ba? That's what I really want. I really want at the end of the movie, sabi nga ng Aldab Nation, kailangan may oxygen ka. Lalo na yung ending ng movie, sinusumpa ko sa inyo.
Okay. Ready ka na mag-block screening marathon sa film? Sa 25.
Marami na nga nagbago. No, and there's special mention na. Two mentions that this movie is going to be shown in at least 10 cities all over the world by the 1st of January. Okay? So, Aldab nation worldwide, okay, you'll get to see this. Okay, because there are block screenings already scheduled. At least 10. At least 10. In North America, Australia, and the Middle East. And in Europe also.
Ayun. Thank you, Direk. Last na lang for Alden. Without spoiling anything, yes or no lang, you have gift na for Alden. Ay, for Alden. For me.
Ito myself.
Without spoiling the thing or whatever. Yes or no lang, you're preparing something now for me.
Yes, of course.
Congrats.
Tutumba-tumba siya.
Si MJ naman.
Alam niyo naman natin that you really, you're my crowd, my following na out of nation, but has it come to you na my Bebe Love will formally siguro catapult you as a box office prince or king? Catapult.
You know, we don't know. Okay, we don't know. And let us also give this opportunity, no? Now, I hope more people watch as many MMFF movies which are showing. Hindi lang naman kami ang palabas, pero sana unahin yung panoorin kami. Pero panoorin nyo yung iba. Dahil maraming magaganda at pinaghihirapan din ng ibang mga producers, direktor at artista na magkaroon ng isang magandang festival. Now, are we gonna be the top crosser? Alam mo, hindi namin iniisip yun. Pag nangyari yun, okay, fine. Okay, fine. God is great, di ba? But if not, then maybe God wants somebody else to have that blessing. So, you know, we're here to give people a beautiful, happy Christmas. The honor of being the top grosser is just the icing on the cake. Okay? And we want to, and again, asan siya? We're not competing with J-Teen. Okay, this is not a movie meant to, you know, compete with Vice or any. We're all out to give people a beautiful. Ang gulo-gulo na ng Pilipinas. Can we have fun this Christmas?
Alright, one last question before we roll. Ay, one last two. Sorry, last two. Papa A, I'm Shay.
Papa A.
Well, nakita kasi dati pa. Question ko lang, di ba sabi mo kanina na parang gusto mo yung mga heavy drama. Parang feeling ka ba na parang katulad din yung role nila Tom Rodriguez sa My Husband's Lover?
So parang same-sex genre, romantic thing. Well, as of the moment, I will not be accepting any projects like that because, of course, there's still a lot going on with Aldab and everything. Pero as an actor kasi, if you're really an actor by heart, you don't choose your roles. You accept the challenge. So I'm not closing my doors with that. Pero as of the moment, I'm not yet.
Another po. In relation dun sa gift para yung kanina, is it something na sinusuot ba?
Basta it's something special.
Okay, one last guys, one last.
Nakatakin si Direk.
Wala may pumasok sa isip ko.
Hi po, ulit. If, I'm pretty sure your mom is very proud of you now. If given a chance, what will you say to her?
Uy, walang iyakan to Well, since before, my mom has been the one pushing me to do show business, and whatever I'm having now, it's still for the honor of her. I've been doing this for the longest time, for the past 5 years, to live out her legacy in us. Kasi she was the one who wanted showbiz for me, and parang I've been getting a lot of blessings out of this thing. So whatever I have now, of course, I say that my mom is truly my inspiration in everything. And wherever she is now, I'm sure she's having a good time watching over us. seeing me fulfilling my dreams. So, yun.
Yan, thank you so much. #hugot. Lalo